Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are interested in making money online, please do subscribe to my channel, as I'll be sharing the different websites that I have personally used, and I'll also share how much I've made from each website that I have used. Okay, so today we are looking at a company called BrandHub. So BrandHub is similar to Takealot in the sense that they sell products online. So it's like an online shop, right? But with BrandHub, you actually get rewarded R1 instantly for clicking on ads that are on the website and sharing those ads onto your social media pages. That is your Facebook or your Twitter. Alright, so the address of the website is brandhub.com. You would once you've clicked on that, you would land on this page. You would then click on register and fill in all your details. Please make sure that your details are actually correct. And then because I already have an account, I'll just go to log in. So I'll click on login, right? Okay, so I've logged in. As you can see, it says hi Nebutula, total mebucks 335. Now this is your wallet. As soon as you've clicked and shared on an advert, the R1 goes to your wallet within the website. So I have made a total of 335, which is 335 mebucks. So 1 mebuck is equal to R1. Okay, so in order to get rewarded the R1, what you need to do, whether you're using a laptop or your cell phone, you just need to scroll down until you see the specials, shop, and news. Just click on news, and then it will show you the different products that they are currently selling. And then in order to get the reward, you have to click on an ad that says earn some mebucks. Click to view. The writing is over here, it's on the bottom left, because if you click on this one, you won't actually get paid the R1. So I've already clicked on this video. So you get videos and you get images like this one, but it will obviously have the earn some mebucks, click to view, similar to this video. So let me look on something that I have not clicked on, so that I click on it and then you see how it works. So this is an image. As you can see, it says earn some mebucks, click to view, right? I've already clicked on that one as well. So let me try and look for something that I have not clicked on yet. Okay, I'm not sure about this one, so I'm gonna try. So what you need to do is that you can click on the Facebook icon, or you can click on the Twitter icon. If you click on the Facebook icon, it shares it to your Facebook timeline, or if you click on the Twitter icon, it shares it to your Twitter timeline. So I prefer using Twitter for sharing these adverts, so I'm going to click on the Twitter icon. Okay, and then it's going to load. Let's see, and then you have to give permission for BrandHub to access your Twitter account. You just say authorize app, and then it will be shared on your timeline. Alright, cool. So I've already clicked on this one as well, and in order for you to see that you've been credited with the amount, it will, so immediately after clicking on Twitter or Facebook and sharing, you will get a pop-up message. It's just unfortunate that I've already clicked on all the adverts. You'll get a pop-up message that says congratulations, you have earned 1 me back for sharing this post, something like that. And then as you can see, it says share the post and receive 1 me back with a tick, which means that I've been credited, and it goes to your wallet immediately, right? And then with the video, how it works is that you actually get paid 2 me bucks, right? So let's just go to a video. Even if I've clicked on it, it's fine, so that I show you. So here's a video. As you can see, it has a play button. So let's just open the video advert. Now with the video, you have to make sure that you, if you want to watch, right? So if you want to watch, you must watch the full video. But you don't have to watch. If you feel like it's going to waste your data, you can just share it. So here, I've already done both. I've already watched it. As you can see, there's a tick under watch and there's a tick under share the video and receive 1 me back, because I've already done both. So when you want to get credited with watching the video, you have to make sure that you watch the full video until you get the pop-up message that pops up once the video is finished. Okay, and then let me just go to back. So now I'm gonna show you how you actually use your me bucks that you have accumulated on this website in order to buy something, right? Unfortunately, you cannot withdraw these me bucks that you've accumulated on the Brand Hub page. You can only buy something on the website. So let's just go to shop, and then let's say I want to buy, let me look for something that I might want to buy. Okay, let's say I want to buy this power bank, right? So let me just click on the power bank, and then I will say add to cart, right? Products are successfully added to cart. So let's go to my cart, and then let me just remove this thing. So the power bank cost $2.99 and I have 335 me bucks. So what you can do is that you have to take here if you want to use your me bucks. You see? So it's a minus $2.99. So I would basically use my me bucks in order to buy the power bank. But with your me bucks, right, you even if you're buying a product that costs $2.99 in my case, and I have 335 me bucks, I still have to pay for delivery, which is 60 Rand, because you cannot use your me bucks to pay for your delivery. So the total amount that I will have to pay is 60 Rand. And then you obviously check out. And then here you just fill in, what did I do? So here you just fill in your details. Unfortunately, they do not have a cash on delivery. So they only have instant EFTs or a manual EFT. And then you just click on next, 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 next until you have confirmed your purchase. Obviously, once you've made the payments, you can then confirm your purchase. So I would suggest that you log into this website every week, once a week, right? So I usually do it every Sundays because they do load new items every week. So you just repeat the entire process in order to get credited, and then the amount goes to your wallet. As you can see, they sell a lot of stuff. So let's say, for example, you want to buy a washing machine, or you want to buy a tumble dryer like this one, and you only have 335 bucks, but you really want to buy it and you think it's cheap. So what you can do is that you can add it to cart, and then you can say use me bucks. So they will deduct the 335, and then they will subtract it from this 5,599, and then you get to pay the difference plus delivery, right? So that's how you make money on this website. You can also go to FAQ if there's something that you are not sure about. They also have specials, yeah, and then you can go read all about it under about, just reading about the company, and yeah, that's how you can make money online using this website. So basically the reason why I'm doing this is because one day I might have to buy a laptop, or I might have to buy a mouse or earphones or a watch, whatever it is. So the reason why I haven't spent my MeBucks is because I wanted to come in handy one day when I'm actually looking for something. But if you're always buying things, then you can use your MeBucks that you've accumulated. But I would rather you wait until you've accumulated enough MeBucks so that you actually see the benefit to you of using this website. I haven't bought anything yet because I'm still just waiting to accumulate enough to buy something that I might need, even if it's a gift. If someone's celebrating the birthday, I think I'm just gonna buy it here. Obviously, if there's something that I think that person might like. Okay, I'm chatting too much now. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content on how to make money online. So yeah, that's it for today, and I really like this website because you're actually getting something for free. You only pay the 60 Rand delivery, and they deliver within South Africa. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you have further questions, please don't forget to comment down below, and I will respond to each and every question that you might have, and like if you have found this video to be beneficial to you. But for today, that's all I have for you. Goodbye.